Hey AI innovators, and welcome back to the channel. If you ever had a great idea for an app but didn't know how to code, then you're going to want to see this. Google just released a new tool called Opal, and it's a game changer for anyone who wants to build their own AI-powered apps without writing a single line of code. Now, I know what you're thinking, another Google development tool. And you're right, Google has a lot of great tools for developers, solopreneurs, and content creators. But that's why we gotta take advantage of this, because Opal is different. It's not about building complex enterprise-level applications. It's about creating mini AI apps using natural language. Think of it as a drag-and-drop interface for your imagination. But before we dive in, there's one important thing that you need to know. Currently, Opal is only officially available in the United States. So if you try to access it from outside the US, you'll likely see this message. But don't worry, there is a simple workaround. All you need to do is use a VPN and set your location to the United States. Once you're connected, just refresh the page, log in, and you'll have full access. It's a small extra step, but it's totally worth it to try out this amazing new tool. What exactly is vibe coding? You've probably heard this term if you are learning about AI. Vibe coding is all about building apps by simply describing what you want in plain, everyday language. You don't need to stress about syntax or coding. Instead, you're focused on the essence, the vibe of your idea. So let's break it down and see how this actually works. So when you first open Opal, you can either create a new app or remix one that Opal provides you with. And you've got a couple here. You've got a blog post writer, a business profiler, a game. You can turn yourself into clay. You can generate a playlist. You can create video. You can do social media posts, product research. So you've got a lot of different options. I have created already a couple of apps to see what's actually possible with Opal. First, I've built this website blogger. You give it a topic, researches, outlines, writes a full blog post, and even creates an image for it. It's efficient and saves you hours for generating content. Let's test it out. So here, you're gonna start, type in your topic, and now it's doing the research. You can see as well that shows you the steps that it's going through. It's using Gemini 2.5 Flash, and it's using various tools, searching the web. Here is a quick little tip for you. Once you've logged in, you can actually turn off the VPN and it still works. Now it's writing the outline, now it's creating the image. And look guys, I'm doing nothing. It's all doing it for you. And boom, just like that, you've got blog post. This one is about Google Opal itself. So that's pretty cool. It created here like a gem with different tools. That's really nice. I like that. Here you go. You've got the blog post content, got different titles and descriptions. The hype is real. What's next? Conclusion. That's awesome. Now you can share this output, saving it to your Google Drive. Then you can copy the URL and share it with anybody. You can also obviously highlight all of this content, copy it, paste it into your WordPress editor or on your website. Now let's go back. I also created this B-roll video generator, and here the idea is to give it a description and it will generate one short video that you can use as a B-roll in your project. Let's try this out too. So we're gonna here type in my description. Now I already have here description for the video. Copy this, go back, paste that in, and hit go. Boom, just like that, you've got your B-roll. Okay, that's funny. So now you can download this and you've got a free B-roll. So let's see if Opal can help. I'm going to click create new and then type in my idea into the prompt. I want to allow the user to enter a YouTube URL. You will then generate one thumbnail for the video. The thumbnail should be vibrant, eye-catching, and have a high click-through rate. Just like that, boom. Opal has built a visual workflow for our app. It understood that it needs to take a URL, generate an image based on that URL's content, and then display it on a web page. This whole structure was created just from my text description. Now for the fun part, let's run this app one of the video URLs. So let's click start. You can also change the theme here, generate a random theme or create your own theme. And in here you can see the steps that it will go through once we started. So we're gonna start it. Go on YouTube. I've chosen this YouTube video here from Tony Robbins. We're gonna go in here, paste this URL, and hit go. It's now analyzing the video and will generate a distinct thumbnail option for me. And just like that, it created this thumbnail image. Here are the results. While they're not perfect, they're a great starting point. You can always go back and tweak the prompts in the editor to get closer to what you're looking for. As you can see here, you can change the model, Gemini 2.5 Flash, Gemini 2.5 Pro, execute deep research, Imagen, create image, audio, video. Now here it used Imagen 4, and we have here the different settings as well that you can change. Here you can also change the output of how it should display it. Pros and cons. So what's the verdict on Google Opal? On the plus side, it's incredibly easy to use. If you can describe what you want, you can build an app. It's a fantastic tool for brainstorming, prototyping, and creating single-purpose apps. The ability to share your apps with others is also a huge plus. On the downside, it's still an experimental tool and it has its limitations. As you saw, we can run into errors. Sometimes it's a bit slow to generate the content and the outputs are not always perfect. But that's to be expected with a platform that's still in its early stages. It just came out. Conclusion? Overall, I'm incredibly excited about the potential of Google Opal. Google always brings out great tools. It's a tool that simplifies and automates workflows and puts the power of AI in the hands of everyone. I can't wait to see what you all create with this. What apps have you created? I'm genuinely curious and I'm personally reply to all comments. If you want to try out Google Opal for yourself, I will leave a link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.